Struggling to get the perfect crackle off your Weber Genesis? Then this is the video for you. Hi Weber fans, now don't forget everything's used in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so today's video we're going to be checking out how to get the perfect pork crackle off your Weber Genesis. I've had a few emails about this and it's really easy. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Right, so pork's on, and while it's creating that perfect crackle, it's time to prepare our vegetables. Right, so today we're just going to go with the basics with some potatoes, some carrots, and these are what we're going to roast. Now, carrots take the longest, and I will show you a tip on how to get that heat to disperse. So we'll just get these peeled, and then I'll show you how we prepare our potatoes and carrots to get that heat to disperse into them. Right, so now our veggies are peeled and chopped. What we're going to do is we're going to put some hedgehog slits in. What this will do is it will help all the heat disperse. So what I mean by hedgehog slits is we're just not going to cut the way through. So we're just going to slice just into the back like so. And you're going to do the same process on your potatoes and on your carrots. And to make life easier, we're just going to place all our potatoes in a Ziploc bag, and we'll also put the carrots in once we've prepared those. Make sure you get all the air out. Twist that round so it's going to coat it in the olive oil and all that seasoning. Now they're all covered, we'll put those in the fridge and we'll put them on about an hour before our roast is due. Right, so that pork's come off and it smells amazing. We're just going to let that rest for around half an hour, and while that's resting, we'll leave our veggies on for that final cook on the grill before we take them off, get them plated up and give it all a taste test. And don't forget, if you use the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so you can see that pork turned out absolutely awesome and the crackling was superb. Now it's really simple to do. Now you can do this on the Weber Genesis, you can do it on the Kettle, and you can even do it on the Q. I have done a video on the Weber Q on how to get the perfect pork crackle, and I'll put an card above for Q owners if you want to check that one out. But for the Weber Genesis, it just turns out superb every single time. So again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.